Hey everyone, I will be using very thin printer paper for this tutorial. And as you can see, my paper does not turn wavy. To prevent my paper from buckling, I'm using a masking tape. This really helps to prevent your thin paper from buckling. Now sketch the mountains and do not press your pencil so hard on the paper that the lines are very dark, and when erasing, the pencil marks don't completely erase and paper is torn. Now I'm mixing the colors that I want to use for the sky. So I mixed crimson red, Prussian blue and ivory black. I'm using crimson red because this color is pinkish and vibrant and it will help make the sky look more eye-catching. If you don't have crimson red, you can use pink, yellow or orange, but do not use a dark red. Because this is a thin paper, I'm not pre-wetting my paper before painting the sky. I will paint this galaxy sky in wet on dry watercolor technique. I am adding watery mix of my red to make it light and keep starting from the lines and moving upwards. To avoid hard edges, I am using a clean damp brush and I am touching the edges of freshly applied paint. Do not worry if it looks a little messy. We will add another layer later. After this is completely dry, add another layer of color to intensify it. My paper dried flat because of the masking tape. After the first layer is completely dried, I'm adding another layer of color to intensify it. I am adding another layer after the first one is completely dry because if you will keep on adding layers on wet paper, your paper will tear up or your paper will not dry flat because this is not a watercolor paper. And also, do not press your brush too hard on the paper because this will destroy your delicate paper.